Coming up, more Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur inspiration for you. I've got a Blood Orange Espresso Martini. Welcome back, boys and girls. We are rocking out more Mr. Black. The world, as it says so on the label, look. Oh, wrong way round. Is the world's best coffee liqueur. What's the disclaimer? Those who know it's best. There we go. We don't know what the disclaimer is, but I flipping love it. I absolutely do like it. The reason being, it's just an unsweetened coffee liqueur, which means it's just alcoholic coffee, vodka based, which means you can kind of do anything you want to it, flavour it up in any other way. Don't get me wrong, as I always say, I love Kahlua as well. Absolutely love Kahlua, nothing against it. It's just a bit too sweet if you're going to be out here playing around with lots of different flavours and stuff. So today I've created a Blood Orange Espresso Martini. Oh, that is so good. Hints of chocolate in there. Oh, the blood orange. The orange comes through in spades. JJ Whitley's did it in yesterday's video. If you're watching these, if you're a loyal subscriber and you're watching these in turn, did use that in yesterday's video. Oh, this is amazeballs. Oh, so good. So good. I say, it's all about the Mr. Black because those coffee notes, the bitter coffee notes just come through. It's such a lovely liqueur. Really, really is good. Oh, I don't know what else to say about that. Let's get into making the recipe. Let me just run you through the ingredients I'm going to use before we start making it. Obviously, we've got Mr. Black. Obviously, as I've just mentioned, I've got JJ's Blood Orange Vodka. I've got some chocolate and I've got some fresh espresso. So let's dive on. Really, really, really simple. I'm going to go for the vodka first. For this, I'm just going to kind of do my standard sort of thing for this, which is equal measures. If I'm doing espresso martinis, 30, 30, 30 plus whatever. So I'm going for 30 ml, 1 ounce of this Blood Orange Vodka, maybe 1¼ ounces. I'm going to do 1¼ ounces of Mr. Black, the world's best coffee liqueur. So where are we going? We're going 30 ml of that. There we go. There we go. Suppose if we are, let's just do a little dribble. There we go. 1¼ I'm going to do 15 ml, half an ounce of Mozart Cacao. It's a dark chocolate liqueur, but I class it as a Cacao. So 15 ml, half an ounce of that. There we go. God, bang on the money there, look. And then finally, I'm going for some espresso. eXpresso, if you don't really know how to spell it. It's obviously spelled with an X, isn't it? So eXpresso. And we go. I'm joking. 30 ml of 30 ml, 1 ounce of fresh espresso. Right, here we go. As always, shaky. Good, 10, 12 seconds. Right, so I cannot wait for this. I've not tried this yet. Can't wait. So, Coupe Glass, going to serve up. I was toying with a rocks glass over ice, but I'm going Coupe. Double strain. Oh, the lovely crema on top. Oh, magicals. And then garnish wise, obviously you could go for your coffee beans. I've just prepped one. I've just got like an orange peel, just kind of. There's a little bit left in there. I'm just going to do what I don't normally do. Let's go a bit fancy. Let's do a little bit of fancy stuff. Probably won't, but there we go. There we go. Sod it. Let's just pop that on there. There we go. A Blood Orange Espresso Martini. And if you want even more Espresso Martini coffee inspiration up on screen right there, dive into one of those videos and playlists. And as always, if you like me, big old thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel.